Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
finally. Thank you so much. Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance, absolute guidance. Actually, I've been baking from a really long time.
Hmm.
Uh, Obviously, I was very passionate before marriage.
Hmm.
I used to bake, and whenever I used to bake and used to give it to my colleagues, they always used to say, I'm a dentist by profession. They used to say, you should leave your dentistry and then start a bakery. But after I got married, I just left everything and I had kids and I forgot all about it. But once in a while, I was baking cakes like for the birthdays uh, after my son turned 5 or 4. So when I was giving cakes to everybody, they were saying that you should start a bakery. But I was not knowing how to
Hmm.
go about starting the process because most of the recipes I had were very tedious.
Hmm.
So everybody were telling you should start because I'm not having a clinic.
Hmm.
I'm not having a clinic, and then I work in the morning. I work as a professor in a college, so
Wow.
evening I don't have a clinic. So everybody has a clinic, and everybody were saying like you should because you don't have a clinic. Why don't you start this? So I came across this free webinar, and I thought somehow felt a very good vibe about you, and I attended the free webinar. I just couldn't sleep. I thought I have to attend. So I took part in that
Super.
Super Baker program. And because of the time and everything, I was initially I was interested, but it was the assignments were very hectic, and I was not able to keep up to the mark. So then I realized that this is not something that you have to do like the decoration part, baking part is okay, but the decoration part I'm really not good. And the tips that you have given, like how to previously I used to do the whipping cream, but never I had stiff peaks or
Hmm.
it never used to stay. So I kind of now after joining the program, I got to know about certain tips, and I was baking like once a week or something. But then I realized everybody is baking really, everybody are decorating really well, and I am not able to do it. So where is where am I lagging? Then I
Hmm.
came to know that it is an everyday process. You have to practice every day. So then I thought I should practice every day. So when I started practicing, then my kids, most of the more than me, my kids were more interested. Like for my kid only, I actually I joined. He was like he wants this three-tier cake,
Hmm.
and he was like next birthday you have to make a three-tier cake. So for that reason, his birthday is on April 1st. So
Wow.
I'm planning to do two-tier cake. I have to see how it comes. And they were like more excited, like you have to do this, you have to do that. And they were kind of encouraging me. I'm actually doing, and they were giving me a flavor profiles.
Oh,
You have
wow.
to do this, you have to do. And because according to the certification, one cake order is a must, right? So I got this because I was not getting any cake orders. I asked one of my friends to order a cake. So they've ordered, and after practicing, like I've been practicing, but I've not posted most of the pictures because my decoration was not so good. After looking at some of the first timers are really, really good, so I thought I will not post any pictures. But when I practiced just yesterday, I got my first order. And then when I was crumb coating, my sons were like, now this time you are doing it is better than it is better than the previous ones. And
Lovely.
I could make, I got an order at 4 o'clock and I came home and then I did the premix and then did crumb coating and everything I did in 1 2 hours, and then I delivered the cake
Awesome.
by
Awesome.
7:30. I
Awesome.
delivered the cake. And the thanks to you that this premix is a really good idea. Previously, I was thinking how these bakery people will do. like mixing so much? Will they take so much of time? Will they bake so much of spend so much of time on each cake, mixing, measuring, and everything? This premix is a like a lifesaver. After this premix thing, that then I got okay. This is how bakery people do. And most of the recipes, they involve lot amount, like lot of oil, lot of butter, lot of sugar, and l- everything in a larger quantity. So I was thinking, how do they scale and then get a profit? Now I know, because you have given all this, and now I know how to budget and everything. Uh, Everything thanks to you and your vibe, your positive vibe, your encouragement, and all the group members. They keep, cheering up for you, keep giving suggestions. And I'm also interested in this diamond program certification. I don't know whether I'll be able to, because you have asked a commitment of 3 years. So very soon I want to join this diamond program too. And all this because of my son's encouragement. Both of them are like, you have to do this, you have to. Now what are you doing? What cake are you baking? All this because of my kids and you, ma'am.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you so
Sharon.
much.
Thank you so much. And see, these are our biggest cheerleaders. Okay. Like when I was talking about family, so you have to exclude them because they are the ones who are our biggest cheerleaders. So we have to do everything for only. See, I also started everything only for my son. There was no intention of leaving my job. I was very happy in my job. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि बाप रे, my boss is like not very happy with my work. I was doing really good job, but I got into baking only because of him. And then the entire story, you guys already know about it. So that started, and it gave me really new thing. Like still people tell me कि मतलब कैसे थे तुम and how you have become right now. And I'm really enjoying my life at this point of time. So lot of blessings to you as well, Sharon. Keep motivating your kids as well because they learn a lot of things from us. And guys, everybody who have kids, you can teach a lot of things to them. All their, like, see, measurements, if I have to look at the measurements that we do, we can teach them math. The chemistry that happens while baking, that is chemistry, right? Physics also you can teach them in that experiment. Like it should be experiential. For today's kids are like very very smart with the kind of technology they are exposed to. So through baking, and this is another best life skill as well. So because in schools, the schools will never teach you how to handle their emotions or their emotional challenges, but baking has the power to teach you that. So all the mothers out there in the group, please ensure that when you are baking, you are also involving them, you are taking their inputs. They will push you out of your comfort zone, and definitely you are going to show your true potential for them. So start everything for them, keep baking for them, keep doing something or the other, involve them. So when I have big orders, when I have corporate orders or so, I keep my son involved, and I give him I tell him that this is a pocket money for you. So over here we follow a particular system. So in one of the session just like this, what I will do is I will teach you how you can manage your money. So all the women in the group, I really want you to be managing your own money. How much should go in investment? How much should go in your play jar? Which I have taught my 10-year-old son. So I will teach you that you can get your kids as well into the session, and then let us see how to go about it. Okay, so thank you so much, Sharon. It was so lovely to
Thank you.
talk
Thank
to
you.
you. Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot to you.